Hello everyone. Hello. Everyone can hear me?
Good morning, sir.
Hello.
Everyone can hear me, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तुमको वॉइस देख के पता नहीं चलता है क्या सर है कि मैम है? हैं?
So,
कौन कौन आदमी था ये? बालो चटाक था क्या?
yes,
इसने
sir.
हाँ सही पकड़ा है हमने. अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, we will start a new chapter today. Okay, that is
Yes, sir.
work energy power. Okay. Okay, I'm sharing a file now. Okay. Okay, see. Voice is clear now? Is my voice clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, the chapter name is work energy power. Okay. Okay. Basically, what do you understand by work? By the term work? Work बोलने से क्या क्या पता चलता है? What do you understand by work?
Collective. When body something
Yes, yes. Tell me. You can tell me in Hindi also. No issues.
the body move
Listen, listen. I am explaining. See, uh, uh, if we apply a force on any object, okay, suppose the object changes its position, okay, or uh, suppose it changes its position after applying the force, then in physics you can term it as work done. Okay, you can term it as work done. Understood? Suppose you are applying a force on an car. Okay, if the car moves from the initial position, okay, then it is said to be work is done. Understood?
yes, sir.
Okay, suppose you are reading or suppose you are sitting somewhere, okay, in physics that is not work. there is a little bit confusions. Okay, in general terms, or in physics, work is a little bit different. Okay, suppose you are studying, suppose you are sitting somewhere. Okay, in normal, in day-to-day life, you can consider it as a work, but in physics, after applying a force, there must be a displacement or change in position of that object. Must, should, that means should happen. Then only you can consider it as work. Understood? Suppose I am giving example. Okay, suppose you are huge rock. Okay, suppose you cannot move that. Okay, but still you are pushing it, you are wasting your energy. Okay, but the rock is not moved. Okay, then in physics you will have zero work, no work, that means. Okay, after pushing it, it may like you are very tired, like whatever that may be, whatever your conditions may be, but in physics you will be awarded as zero work. Understood? समझ में आ रहा है कुछ?
Yes. Yes.
What you have understand? Tell me, what is work?
If any, if any of what to say, when we applying the force and applying the force and that is called
No. If you apply force, then it will not be considered as work. If you apply force on an object, okay, after that changes should be done. That means change in position should be done. Suppose you are moving a bottle from one table to another. That is work. Understood? Suppose you are sitting
yes,
somewhere.
sir.
Suppose you are sitting somewhere. Okay, the whole day you are sitting over there. After that, you get tired. Okay, but it doesn't mean you have done any work. Understood? Okay, give me some examples of work.
Playing volleyball.
Playing volleyball. Okay. See, it is clearly mentioned here. Work is said to be done when a body or object moves with the application of external force or force. Okay. It is clearly written over here. See. There must be a change in position. Then only in physics it will be considered as work. Clear? Okay, what will be the SI unit of force? This one, Newton, which can be denoted as capital N. Okay. a force of 30 newton pushing an object 3 meter in the same direction of the force will do 90 joule of work. How to calculate the work? We will get the formula. Okay, don't worry. When we kick a football, we are exerting an external force. Why the people are so late? External force called F, and due to this force the ball moves to the certain distance. This position of ball position A to B is known as displacement. Okay, we have already discussed what is displacement. All of you can remember, I think. This work is said to be done and can be calculated as W equal to F into D. Okay, this is the formula for work. You got a formula, no, in Newton's law, F equal to ma. Okay, it might be like ma into d. It can be also termed as ma into d. That means work. Okay, unit of work I have already told you. Okay, there is a question here. All of you try to answer it. All of you try to do this. It's very simple. This is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. All of you try to solve it and tell me what is the unit. Fast, fast, fast. Done, done,
Yeah.
done.
Fuel.
Hello, what happened? Hello, hello, if you can hear me now? Okay, okay. See, unit of work. Okay, unit of work will be Newton meter. Okay, which can be termed as joule. Okay, okay. Now see, this is the information about the, or this is the things about the, okay, degree or direction. Okay, direction of the force with respect to the movement of the body. I will explain it later on. Okay, that means it should be the fd cos theta. It should be fd cos theta. There are some questions right now you will not be able to answer it. Okay, after completing the chapter you will get to answer this one. Okay, next, coming to the next point. See, there are three types of works. There are three types of works. One is positive, negative, zero. Positive work, zero, negative work, zero work. Okay, let us discuss about the positive work. Okay, what is positive work? When force and displacement are in the same direction, the work performed as an object is said to be positive work. That means, see, suppose you are pushing a car or you are applying a force on a car from the back side of the car. Understood? From the back side of the car, and the car moves in the direction of force. That means the car shows forward direction. Okay, car moves in a forward direction, then it is termed as positive work. Understood? Example, when a body moves on a horizontal surface and displacement act in the forward path, the work is done in the case known as positive work. Okay, understood what I have explained for positive work?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that means suppose you are pushing a object, suppose you are opening a door. Okay, you are opening a door, it will be because it will be positive work, because if you in which direction you are applying force, it is known as sorry, if you are applying a force in a direction, okay, and the object is also moving in that direction, then it will be termed as positive work. What is negative work? Suppose
Opposite,
suppose
opposite direction.
yes,
Like,
suppose you are suppose you are applying a force, suppose you are applying a force, okay, suppose you are applying a force on an opposite direction of the movement of the body. Suppose a car is moving, okay, to stop that car, from which direction you have to apply a force or you have to push? Definitely in the opposite direction. Clear? Understood everyone? What is negative work? Understood everyone?
yes, sir.
Okay. For example,
Yes, sir.
yes. Suppose for the application of brake can be considered as negative work, because you are applying a force against the movement, but it will stop in few seconds, but not at that time, right? On that certain time, it can be considered as negative work. Okay, what is zero work? Zero work can be termed as uh, like you are applying a force from the top and it is moving in the direction, moving in forward direction. Okay, suppose that can be termed as, that means see, all of you understand the 90 degree, all of you can understand, no? What is 90 degree? 90 degree, 60
Yes,
degree, 40 degree, all of you have drawn in class 7, 6 in geometry, maths.
sir.
Okay, see, application of force and the displacement or the direction of movement if it makes 90 degree. Understood? Suppose car is moving horizontally and I am applying a force from the top of the car. That can be termed as 0 1. Actually, thing is, if we apply a force from the top, the car will not move. That's why actually it is termed as 0 1. But in physics, it is a little bit different. We are considering like if we apply a force from the top, the car is moving in the horizontal direction. Okay, then it can be termed as 0 1. Actually, thing is the car will not move. That's why it is termed as 0 1. Understood? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, tell me if there is any doubt regarding the work. We will explain energy in the next class. After that, work done against gravity. Okay, the chapter will be over. After that, after three, 4 class, I think. You can ask regarding positive work, negative work, zero work, and formula of work. Based upon this, you can ask. Clear? Everything clear? You can do the numericals also, I think, isn't it?
Sir, how will use the formula?
How you will use the formula? See, it's simple. F into D.
Or formula what?
Yes, this one is formula F into D. W equal to work equal to F into D. F means force, D means displacement. The displacement means distance traveled from the initial point to final point. See, in this case, I am explaining it again. An object is horizontally dragged across the surface by a 100 Newton force acting parallel to the surface. Okay, find out the amount of work done by the force if the object throw a distance 8 meter. That means, say the object moves 8 meter from the initial position to final position. That means the object has been dragged. Okay, by using some machine or something or human, doesn't matter. Okay, main thing is how much distance the object has traveled. 8 meter, that is important to us. And how much amount of energy applied? 100 Newton of forces, force applied. After applying 100 Newton, the object moves 8 meter. Okay, accordingly we have to place it here. Force 100 Newton, distance 8 meter. In the place of D, put it 8 here. See this one. And the cos theta part, ignore this. I will explain it in later on. Now it will be complicated. Okay. Now consider it like this. This one is force F into D. Force into D displacement. Clear? Balochadak, I can't hear you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Understood now? Everything understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about the others? Why they don't reply? What happened to you, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.